it's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and this is a couple of trades I'm on in the binaries, and actually short on the euro yen. You can see it's been moving down all morning, and if you're reading the price with the stochastics, you can actually see that this made a high right up here. Now it made another high here. It's kind of highlighted by the zigzag indicator, which is kind of standard in all of your trading platforms. And as it was making that high, you can see that it made pretty much an equal high here. Now that's still a form of divergence because the stochastics is really telling you that price put in a lot of effort to take this high higher. They put in as much effort in that as they did back here, and yet price did not go higher. So I went short off of that, anticipating this low to be taken out. Now this was an out of the money binary option. In this case, this binary actually had about $16 of risk per contract. I am trading very light just because price has been moving really slow this morning. So you can see that even now I've already pretty much doubled what my risk is. I've almost tripled it. I do have a profit target there, and I'm waiting to see if that profit target is taken out. Now, if this gets down to the area of being overextended, I would probably go ahead and close the position. The other thing that I can do, because I have a nice profit, is actually go to a 5-minute and look to see if I have a reversal bar. Now this is still forming, okay, but if this turns out to be a reversal bar, then I would close the position. I would really like to see this bar close under this line. Now while we're waiting on that one, I'm going to show you another one I'm in. It's on the DAX, and I shorted it out of the money, and I had about $25 of risk on this one. And again, this was a very low risk entry where you have hidden divergence here on the highs. You can see from the chart you're making lower highs. Stochastics again making higher highs. In this one, I also have a profit target set at 25 as well. It's really the same setup as what I'm in on the euro yen right now. I don't like the way this is forming. Again, I would like to see it close below that strike level. And I may just go ahead and take profits because I have doubled my profits on it. To do that, you simply click on the order that you have sitting there, and you can actually click on the buy and amend the order, and hopefully somebody will fill it. There we go. Now I just want to show you, you had an entry back here actually yesterday afternoon, and if you had the indicators you would have another one here. You can barely see there's some white dots behind these red dots. You had a reversal bar here, and again that would have been 2 entries. Then you had another entry over here, another entry here, an entry here this morning at about 3:45, and then the entry that I just took. So that's a lot of entries on the euro yen, and all of them were quite good actually. Now, in addition to the trade I'm in on the DAX, I'm also in one on the Dow. I'm doing both binary and a future. In this one, it's pretty much the same entry. and that you have price is making lower highs from here to here, but the stochastics is making higher highs. Again, same entry point. You get the red dot in case you missed it, and then you have another entry over here. In this case, the stochastics is just really confirming what you are seeing, and that price is making lower highs, and you would expect lower highs on the stochastics as well. And it's been slow moving, and this is one I'm not going to leave because I will have to exit immediately if I don't like something. Whereas the binaries, I have a limited risk, so I'll stick with those. And here you see both of the trades, one on the Wall Street. The Wall Street 30, which is correlated to the Dow, it is out until 4:15. That was less than $20 of risk. I think it was probably $17 a contract. This one, it does expire at 8 o'clock this morning. So if my profit target is not hit and I have the opportunity to take at least a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I will.